There's a new game called Rocky Rabbit, which is like hamster combat. Just like hamster is a play-to-earn project, where you earn money by clicking or tapping, buying cards, inviting friends, and many other ways. If you miss projects like Notcoin, Hamster, etc., don't be sad because since now we're going to teach you these kind of profitable airdrops here in this YouTube channel. In addition, you can join our Telegram channel, and I have put this link here in the description section under this video to get new codes, cards, and tricks that will help you earn more money via these airdrops. Now let's go ahead and launch Rocky Rabbit. First of all, I gave you a link in the description section at the bottom of this video. Enter it to start this spot inside your Telegram app. Start and play it. In this game, first of all, you should choose a rabbit depending on the gender of your character. Then you have to grow it, which means that you should prepare him or her for fighting by buying some cards, food, and training to it, so that your rabbit becomes stronger day by day, and as a result, it brings you more income. As you can see here, the first page of the game is very similar to Hamster Combat. A huge coin in the middle of the page exists, and you can get coins by tapping on it. Also, there are several options here on the top of the page, and by selecting the sponsor button, you can choose sponsors who cooperate with Rocky Rabbit, which of course you don't need to do anything right now, and later on I will tell you which one to choose depending on your need. All of the profit is displayed to you in the available section. This number shows how many coins you get through the cards you have every 1 hour. In order to receive the coins from these cards, you must open this game and visit it every 3 hours. The total earn section shows you all the coins that you have earned in different ways, such as tapping, profit, inviting friends, and etc. And as you can see, it is naturally more than your current balance that is displayed under this section. By pressing the boost button, the boosters of the game are displayed, which include full energy, multi-tap, and energy limit. Full energy is a free booster that is available to players for 5 times every 20 hours. So via this option you can fill the energy 5 times. 2 other boosters are here, should be purchased by paying coins. Multi-tap increases the amount or number that you get by tapping. An energy limit shows the capacity or volume of the energy that you can increase. Alright guys, now by entering the earn section, you will see tasks, and by doing them, you will be able to get rewards. Here in the first option you have strike days, and it means linear days, which means how many consecutive days you have done activities. It considers days as continuous lines, and the day that you are not active, you break that line. So you can visit this spot every day and get some coins as a gift. Now by entering to the My section, that is one of the most important parts of this game, you can get things that are important for an athlete, such as exercise, nutrition, supplements, and such things. All are exist as various kind of cards and in 3 general sections: fighter, coach, and tournaments. In the fighter section, you have also 3 different options. First is upgrade, in which you can upgrade your card, and to do this you should choose first card. Note that here is some information, and here it tells you how much will be added to hourly or automatic mine after upgrading this card. You should also know that to upgrade any of these cards, the top card must be upgraded. For example, here I have upgraded this card, so since now the next card is open for me. And to upgrade the third card, I need to upgrade the previous one. In the claim section here, after updating each card, a series of rewards will be opened for you, which you can receive every 24 hours and thus earn coins. The cards in this section are accessible at certain times, and if you do not get them on time, you will miss it. For example, here, breakfast, lunch, dinner can be received in real time, and if you don't get them, the points of these cards will be missed for you on that day. In the virtual section also, there are other series of cards and you can get them in the same way. Now in the coach section, we have upgrade again, where you can hire a coach for your rabbit. The principles of upgrading the card of this section are exactly the same as the previous section. As you can see, here we have claim, where you can receive your rewards every 24 hours. And the last part is tournaments, which is related to upgrading the level of your rabbit. In order to reach the next level, you have to upgrade each card to level 10. So the next level will be opened for you. Remember that to obtain the prerequisites of each card, to know that which card needs to be upgraded in order to upgrade a new one, you can simply choose this blue link. So it'll direct you to that specific card, and this is a positive point. So you don't need to spend time to look and quest for the desired card, a new ability unlike hamster combat. Also, here we have another section called battle here in Rocky Rabbit that has not been activated yet, but it seems that in the future you will be able to compete with other players and fight with them, and it might be very attractive. By entering the friends section in Rocky Rabbit game, you can get your referral link and send it to your friends. And as you can see, according to game description here, you will receive 5,000 coins plus 1,000 of tone coins by inviting each normal Telegram user. And you will get 25,000 coins plus 2,000 of tone coins by inviting each premium Telegram user. In the airdrop section, you can see information about the roadmap of the game, including the airdrop, its token, and the time of listing in exchange. There are also sections to display the balance of the coin, the balance of the rabbit coin, and connecting the wallet to the game, which are not activated at the moment. Alright guys, as it is obvious, this game is designed like the hamster game, and by adding sections like battle, it has more attraction. This airdrop has been confirmed and is available now, and because of its newness, you can start it and get profit of it. Keep it in mind that in this channel we will try to teach you the most profitable and reliable airdrops, along with their key points. Also in our Telegram channel, we post the latest tricks and key tips to get more coins in different airdrops daily. So please follow our channel to be informed about the latest videos that I put here for you guys. Please write your questions in the comment section and I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting us. Until the next video, be profitable.